Hello everyone, this is Himanshi from Gurukulam Gyanodaya Vidyapeeth. Welcome once again. I am here with a new small letter for you. Okay, so as usual, first we will revise all the letters and then move to the next letter. Start. So see, which letter is this? Small c. C, K. Small c says K. And this one is small letter A. A says A. A says A. And this one is small letter E. First we make C, then a little slipping line, small e. And this one is small letter O. O says O. O. And this one is D. D. D says D. First we make C, then a standing line. Okay. This is sky letter. This touch the sky line. And this one is, tell me. Yes, this is letter B. B says B. B says B. First we make a standing line in 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, and then a left curve. This is B. Capital B में 2 curves होते हैं, small b में only 1 curve. Okay, and this one is L. L says La. L says La. One standing line, okay, and this one is, yes, H. H says first we make standing line and then a downward curve, okay. This is sky letter. Start from the sky line and to the grass line. And this one is I. Very good. I says E. I says E. Small standing line and a dot on the top. This is grass letter. We make this letter in the grass line. And this one is J. J says J. Jelly. This is root letter. Start from the second line and end to the root line, bottom line. This is small j, dot on the top, okay. And this one is G. G says G. G says G. First we make C, then a standing line and turn like J, okay. This is G. And this one is Q. Q says quack, 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 quack. First we make C, then a standing line and a little slanting line, Q. And this one is, yes, this is letter P, small p. Capital P, first, second, third, 3 lines से बनता है, upper 3 lines में, and small p, second line से start होता है, bottom line पे जाता है, ठीक है ना? Small letter P. And this one is small f. Small f. Start from the first line, standing line to the 3 line and a little turn upside and a slipping line. F. Small f. F says fur. F says fur. And this one is, yes, T. T says ta. This is small t, okay. And this one is, yes, this is small letter K. Small letter K. And this one is small r. R says R. Small standing line and a little slanting line, okay. This is also a grass letter. And this one is N. N says N. N says N. One standing line and a downward curve. and this one is small letter M. One standing line and two downward curves. Okay, small M. M says M says and this one is U. Small U. U says U says Okay, and this one is small V. Small letter V. V says V says Okay, so these were the letters that we have learned. I hope you all are practicing these letters. Okay, now today we will learn a new letter. Which letter is this? That is W. W. Okay, this is capital W and this is small w. Both looking same? Both are looking same? Yes. So W says what? W says what? W were woodpecker. W were watch. W were watermelon. Okay, once again. W were woodpecker. W were watch. W were watermelon. So let's see how to write letter small w. Okay. In the same way as you write capital W. But capital W written in the 3 line. 1, 2, 3. And this one is grass letter. Small w is a grass letter. We write this letter in the second blue line to the third blue line, that is grass line. Okay, so let's start. Slanting, slanting go up, slanting go down, slanting line go to up. This is W. Okay, small w. Left slanting, go up, V बनाते हैं, V 2 times V बनाना होता है. Okay, very easy letter. V and once more. Okay, this is W. आपने V बनाना सीखा है. 1 and 2. Very good. How easy it is? Yes, this is small w. Small w. Once again, slanting line up, slanting line down, once again slanting line. Okay, this is small w. Once again. W. Okay. Once again, slanting line come down, up. Small w. Okay. So this is small w. So do practice this new letter and all the letters that we have learned before. We will come back with a new letter in our next video. Till then, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye.